up in the spot like I'm the shit because I am. Brand new bezel, glossy hair down to my ass. I cannot go backwards, fuck a nigga with no bag. And I wish a bitch would, cause I be.
Alright, so hey y'all, we just gonna jump right into it. I'm using my foundation shade and putting that on my wig cap as well as my lace, so when I put it on, it just looks more natural. Alright, and then I'm just combing it out, and then I'm gonna part it just so when I actually glue it down I won't have to do all that extra work. And I'm using this little clip since I didn't have a rat tail comb, but it worked good as you can see. Alright, then I'm clipping back my hair so it doesn't get in the way when I start putting my glue on or gel on. But yeah, I'm just flipping it back. Then I'm using my handy dandy got to be glued freeze spray, and I'm mostly putting that just on my edges so they can be slicked back. And I know this is probably the wrong percent alcohol to use, but I'm using that on a little cotton pad thingy and just taking off some of that makeup I have on my forehead, and then I'm going back in with the freeze spray, and then I'm gonna go back over my edges and then pull the lace back a little bit more and get like more of my cap. Alright, and then I'm using the gel and putting that basically where I put the freeze spray. Then I'm gonna start by putting down the middle of the lace, and then I'm gonna obviously go in on the other sides. What? I cannot talk today. But I'm gonna end up going back over like the end parts because those are the parts that lift first. And y'all cannot tell me that this do not look like scalp. Like, bruh, wet lace, literally. And like I told y'all, I'm going back over the end pieces with the spray and the gel. And then I'm going in and combing out my edges, because you can't, this ain't no wig, baby. And then I'm going in with this mousse. I kind of don't like this mousse because I feel like it lifts the lace a little bit, but this all I got right now, so yeah. And I honestly didn't like the way my baby hairs turned out looking at this video, but in person it looks way better, but in video it looks And I'm gonna just speed this part up because all I'm doing is flat iron my hair. And then I'm taking this wax stick and putting it on my hair, so when I go in with my hot comb, it just doesn't look all bumpy. And then I'm using my Garnier Fructis serum so my hair doesn't look all frizzy and it gives it a little shine. And then I'm taking my concealer and putting that on my part just so it looks even more natural. Alright, and that's the end of the video. I hope y'all liked it. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more videos. And see y'all next time. Bye.